What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about credit card annual fee or credit card annual membership fee. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung how does credit card annual fee works, paano ito nangyayari, bakit na-charge kayo ng credit card annual fee or credit annual membership fee sa credit card statement of account ninyo or annual fee membership, kumbaga. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung paano magpa-waive at the same time, bakit nga ba nangyayari ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, a Philippine credit card annual fee is a yearly charge ranging from 100 pesos to 5,000 pesos plus for card maintenance, rewards, and services, usually billed on the card's anniversary. Kasi nung nag-apply kayo ng credit card, tapos na-approve, on the next year, from the date of anniversary, halimbawa ngayon, March, tapos kung anong petsa ngayon kayo na-approve, next year, March din kung anong petsa, doon papasok yung annual fee. Halimbawa, March 10, tapos statement date is March 18. So, on the next year, so doon papasok yung annual fee kung magkano yung annual fee ng credit card ninyo. It appears on your statement and must be paid, though many banks allow it to be waived through spending requirements or by request. So may mga bangko naman guys na ina-allow itong ma-waive kapag na-meet ninyo yung spending requirements or di kaya qualified yung spending requirements ninyo or yung spending kung magkano yung gastos ninyo within a year. So wini-waive nila minsan yung annual fee ng credit card ninyo. So how it works? So how does credit card annual fee or annual membership fee works? Billing frequency, charged annually, often free in the first year as a promotion. So kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card tapos na-approve, wala muna kayong annual fee dyan. Tapos next year na kayo magkakaroon ng annual fee kung magkano yung annual fee ng credit card na in-applyan ninyo. Payment. It is added to your monthly statement of account and included in your total amount due. So of course, kapag nag-reflect na yan, babayaran mo yan kasama kung magkano yung nagastos mo gamit yung credit card, kung magkano yung na-swipe mo lahat-lahat. So, yun yung babayaran mo. Kasama yan. Kung halimbawa, 1,500 or 4,500, so isasama yan doon sa statement of account ng credit card ninyo. Alternatives. Some cards offer no annual fee for life or NAFFL. Siguro aware naman kayo sa NAFFL, no? Kapag may nakita kayong credit card na NAFFL, meaning no annual fee for life. Or allow you to request a waiver by meeting specific requirements, such as using the card for a minimum amount of spending within a set time. So, kung ayaw mo ng mga credit card guys na may annual fee, ayaw mo sa credit card mo na nagbabayad ka ng annual fee or annual membership fee, hanapin mo yung credit card na nag-o-offer ng no annual fee for life. Tulad na lang ng Union Bank U Visa Platinum, Union Bank U Mastercard, Security Bank Wave Mastercard, yan, at saka Metrobank M-Free Mastercard. Yan yung mga example ng credit card na no annual fee for life. Alternatives, monthly. Some banks such as BDO or BPI may offer a monthly membership fee instead of an annual lump sum. So ano yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Bali halimbawa sa BDO, yung credit card annual fee ninyo sa BDO is 1,800. Tapos, minsan, monthly yan charge. Hindi siya ganun kabigat sa bulsa, guys, actually, kapag monthly charge yung annual fee. Compared to 1 year na bubuuin yung 1,800, so medyo mabigat siya sa bulsa, no? Compared kapag monthly, like for example, sa 1,800 yung annual membership fee or annual fee ng credit card, so divided into 12 yung 1/8, nasa 150 lang yung magiging monthly payments ninyo. Ganun siya, mas magaan lang siya sa bulsa. How to waive it? So ngayon, let's talk about kung paano nga ba ipa-waive or ipa-refund yung credit card annual fee ninyo within a year. Call your bank's hotline just after the fee has charged or it's charged. Halimbawa, check niyo kung nag-reflect na yung annual fee, tapos tawagan niyo yung bangko kung nag-reflect na para mag-request kayo para ma-refund or ma-waive yung credit card annual fee ninyo. The bank may require you to spend a certain amount, example 10,000, within 30 days, or convert your points to waive it. So may mga bangko guys na pumapayag naman. Yun nga lang may terms and conditions or spending requirement. Like for example, sasabay ni customer service, okay, pwede po kayo makapagpa-waive ng annual fee ninyo or i-refund yung credit card annual fee ninyo basta makapag-spend kayo ng 30,000 or 10,000. Depende sa tier or level ng credit card ninyo kung gaano ka Kung elite cards ba ito or nasa ordinary cards lang or basic cards lamang. Tapos minsan naman kung may credit card points kayo, kung malaki na, minsan ino-offer yan ni customer service ni bangko no, para gamitin, para ma-waive yung annual fee ng credit card ninyo. Value of annual fees. So ngayon let's talk about yung halaga ng annual fees sa credit card. No? Higher fees generally offer better perks like air miles, cashback, lounge access, and rewards points. If your rewards exceed the fee, it is worth paying for. So ngayon, minsan kasi guys, kapag mas mataas yung annual fee ng credit card, like for example, yung Visa signature ni BDO, 5,500 yan, it offers unlimited local lounge access para sa mga mahilig mag-travel no, na gumagamit, dumadaan sa NAIA. Kasi sa NAIA, mayroong Marhaba Lounge, Pag Lounge, A Lounge, yan. Libre nyong ma-access yan gamit yung BDO Visa signature ninyo together with your boarding pass. Hindi na naman kasi pwede guys na, okay, may Visa signature ako, pupunta ako ngayon sa NAIA para pumunta sa lounge access, no? Hindi po ganun. Kailangan yung boarding pass together with your credit card para free kayong makapasok doon. Iniiwasan nila ito, baka kasi yung ibang may Visa signature lang pupunta doon para mag-relax, para kumain. Hindi po ganun, hindi po pwede yon. Kailangan kasama yung boarding pass or ticket ninyo as proof na ikaw ay magta-travel. Kasi ito yung perks and benefits ng BPI Visa Signature para sa mga mahilig mag-travel. Parang ino-offer nila ng free lang, ganyan. Tapos, cashback. So, kapag yung credit card niyo, like sa East-West Visa Platinum, malaki yung cashback nila kasi 8.88%. So, minsan, lumalagpas pa guys sa 4,000 na annual fee. Kasi yung annual fee lang ng Visa Platinum East-West is nasa 4,000 lang. Tapos, 8.88%. Tapos, may cap nga lang siya. Pero minsan lumalagpas yung nagagamit ninyo o yung na-earn ninyo na cashback. So at least, di ba, mas tipid kung gamit na gamit niyo yung credit card na yon. Tapos, yung reward nakalagay dito, if your rewards exceed the fee, so much better. At least na-enjoy nyo talaga yung credit card. Kaya naman, kailangan nyo talagang malaman kung ano yung credit card na gusto ninyo, kung ano ba talaga yung lifestyle ninyo, mahilig ba kayo mag-shopping, mahilig ba kayo mag-travel, mahilig ba kayo sa mga kung ano-ano. Kasi kahit mag-shopping lang kayo guys, may mga vouchers din na ino-offer. Merong cashback, alam mo to, yung mga credit card sa BDO, more on SM sila, credit card ni BPI, more on Ayala, ganyan. May mga ino-offer sila doon na exclusive lang para sa mga card holders na yon. Like sa BDO, kapag ikaw ay BDO credit card holder, so sa SM department store, mai-enjoy mo yan. Mga points sa SM Advantage card, parang kino-convert. Ang dami-dami. Kaya before kayo kumuha ng credit card guys, kailangan nyo munang alamin kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. Kasi bawat credit card ay may purpose. May credit card na para lang for daily life, ganyan. May credit card na pang travel, may credit card na para sa mga mahilig kumain, may credit card na para sa mga mahilig sa cashback, ganyan. Kaya kailangan nyo talagang i-consider yan. At kapag magpa-waive na kayo, if ever na nag-reflect na yung annual fee, ngayon, kung malaki pa yung nagastos ninyo sa credit card na yan, tapos pag tinawag nyo sa bangko, nakita ni bank na gamit, tapos wala kayong lapses sa payment, good credit standing, kumbaga, okay talaga yung record mo. So, the most possible thing is, i-waive ni customer service yun or i-refund yung charge na annual fee sa credit card ninyo. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!